bubble. This is bubble paper.
Okay. Oh.
Hello guys!
Welcome back to our channel! Now we're 3. Okay, so for today's video, we're going to...
Yeah.
We're going to...
Mom, this is my little brother, Sandong.
Yes, this
He
is
is the cutest little brother. He also copies what I'm saying.
Okay, so let's start. We have here a package and we ordered a wet and dry vacuum cleaner.
What
Diba?
is this?
So we're going to unbox it. Are you ready, kids?
Yes, Mommy.
Yes! Okay, let's start!
Door.
Let's start!
We also got the cutter here.
I'll be the one to use it.
Very, very careful with the cutter because we like popping things open and unboxing. I really love unboxing like my little brother.
Hindi nakikita si Sando.
Real. Like it.
What's this?
What? Let's see what's inside. Open the top. What? What? Another cutting? Look, Mommy. The other.
Another cutter. Oh! Stop, 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 stop. Don't. Put it back.
Touch it, okay?
Wait. We're gonna show it later. Maybe. That. Oh, we have a tool here.
Tools.
A toolbox with this.
Toolbox. Whoa, it's like cool.
You help me. Pull it.
We like popping, Mommy.
Yes. Okay.
I
Yay.
have that paper because I want to pop the bubble. Excuse me.
Oh, you get it.
Yay! It's a cool vacuum cleaner. Awesome! Okay, here is the paper that we got. And we like popping. Tantongan.
Whew. What's inside? Oops. The nozzle.
What's a nozzle?
Nozzle. The hose. The hose for the
Vacuum.
vacuum and this.
Whoa, that's awesome! What
Okay,
are
that's
those
awesome.
round? What are those round things? That's a
So-
what? Okay,
So this one is a vacuum cleaner. Oh, what's inside this vacuum cleaner? What's inside this?
Oh. Oh. How can we get in the dirt?
Ay, ayun. Wala ko, wala na. Second nozzle.
Oh, I found the
Third nozzle.
instructions. Mommy, I found
And
the
for the-
instructions.
Okay.
Let me see. Wow.
Wow! Put it here first. Where's the Where's the one that's inside here?
Here it is, Mommy.
Where? Ay, ayun. Next. No. Later pa yan. Yeah.
We need to mend it, Mommy.
So, this is a vacuum cleaner.
Cleaner. I will really like popping. Pop. Pop.
Oh. the tool.
That's tools for mommy. Okay.
No, tools that we can use for doing this. See? Okay.
when
So we
it's
have electrical
broken.
tape. We have a pliers. Pliers. We have cutter. So be careful with this because there's a cutter here.
Yes, and we already got a cutter.
Yes. And there's one, I don't know what is this one. Yeah.
Daddy got lots of tools. My daddy has lots of tools. That's a screwdriver.
Yep. So first, what we're going to do is to put
Together
this.
the vacuum. I'm excited.
You're excited? Where to put this? Yeah.
A wheel. So in case you need to move it around. Sandal.
Yeah.
Here's the instructions. Can you give me the reading instructions? Okay.
Then,
Put all the wheels together first. And
yes.
and then connect the hose. Who
So,
connect this together?
yes. Where do you think we need to put it?
On that hole.
In this hole? Can I see the instruction?
Okay, here's the instruction.
Where's
Oh.
the instruction, guys?
That's not
Written in
the
English.
hose. We're talking in English, but my teacher Syra, she's talking on Tagalog. And then we really like to pop bubbles. Fry it! I'm not a fire, so no.
The hose. Where's the hose? Ah, the hose is for here.
Oh, another hose is for this. Another hose is for this.
Okay. No, not there. And then, in here, we're going to put the... Wait lang wait.
What are these tubes? They're like vernacular.
Okay, the song... This one? Where? What should be there?
Oh, so cool. Oh, it's already open. Let's get all the small rubber band there, so it's ready and boing. So this is the arm where you gently do like this. Okay. Mommy, I don't know how to use a vacuum yet. Oh, so different.
May icing nga. You can put...
Whoa!
Oh!
Whoa!
Anak, wala na ba? Ito lang yon? Ito na yon?
Let me see. Baka. Kasi hindi ko...
Ayan, Igaganyan natin, Bakit may ganun? Ililinis din. Ililinis.
We really like popping.
Okay. So now we assembled it already.